Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the JBL PartyBox Encore 2 speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage your LED lights in this speaker. So now we are in the JBL PartyBox application. To know how to install this application, to pair your speaker with it, check our channel because we have a video for that. Here, as you can see in the main menu, we can see light control. Let's tap on that. Here, as you can see, we have neon, loop, bounce, trim, switch, freeze, or random. Apart from that, here we have, as you can see, some options, and we can disable them or enable them. These are the LED lights that we can disable or enable. Here we can change the color of our LED lights. For example, here, as you can see, we have the rainbow one, and etc. If you want to enable or disable our LED lights, we can click this button, and to enable the same button. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.